Mind your decisions, I'm Presh Talwalkar. What is the value of the following sum? Burger King asked this problem on Twitter. The value of this sum would be a promo code that could be used for a free Whopper with any purchase. To avoid spoiling the answer, I'm going to solve a slightly different problem to illustrate the method of how you would solve such a problem. So what is the value of the following sum? Negative the sum from I going from 1 to 100 of -1 to the power of I multiplied by the following quantity. 5 factorial multiplied by 5 all over 4 factorial and the entire quantity raised to the power of 1/2. Pause if you'd like to give this problem a try, and when you're ready, keep watching to learn how to solve this problem. So how can we solve this problem? We'll get started by simplifying 5 factorial over 4 factorial. 5 factorial is equal to the product of the whole numbers from 1 to 5, and 4 factorial is equal to the product of the whole numbers from 1 to 4. We can get the division of 5 factorial by 4 factorial by dividing the second equation from the first. Notice we'll eliminate 4, 3, 2, and 1 in the product. We're left with just 5. We substitute that in, and we have 5 multiplied by 5. This will be equal to 5 squared. 5 squared raised to the power of 1/2 will be equal to 5. We can then factor out the 5. We then want to evaluate the following sum of -1 to the power of I, where I goes from 1 to 100. We can write these terms out. Now -1 raised to an odd power will be equal to -1, and -1 raised to an even power will be equal to 1. We thus simplify the following terms and we have an alternating sum, -1 plus 1 and so on until the final pair -1 plus 1. So every pair of terms will actually cancel out to be equal to 0. Therefore, this entire sum will be equal to 0. So we have -5 multiplied by 0, and that's of course equal to 0. It's great to see a big company use mathematics in its social media promotion. Let me know if you see any other companies using math in their social media. Thanks for making Mind Your Decisions one of the best channels on YouTube. As always, thanks for watching, and thanks for your support.